In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a clean 4-photo square collage in Canva. First, start by creating a fresh canvas. Click Create a design, choose custom size, and enter 600 by 600 pixels. Any square size will work, but 600 by 600 is a great balance between quality and speed. Confirm the dimensions to open your blank square. Next, bring in your image. On the left menu, open Uploads, click Upload Files, and pick the photo you want to use. Once it appears in your library, you're ready to place it. Add the picture to your canvas by dragging it from the Uploads panel onto the square. Use the corner handles to resize so it fits neatly without stretching. If the image is large, you can scale it down to the area you want to show. Now duplicate that picture so you have 4 copies. Click the photo to select it, then press Ctrl+C and Ctrl+V to copy and paste. On a Mac, that's Command-C and Command-V. You can also use the duplicate button in the top toolbar. Repeat until you have 4 identical images on the canvas. Arrange the images in a grid: top left, top right, bottom left, and bottom right. Drag each copy into position. As you move them, smart guides will help you snap to the edges and corners so everything lines up. Leave a small, even gap for an airy look, or butt them together for a seamless mosaic. To perfect the spacing, select all of the images at once by pressing Ctrl+A. In the top toolbar, click Position and choose Tidy Up. This automatically evens out the gaps and aligns everything cleanly. If you see a spacing slider, you can nudge it slightly to increase or decrease the gap uniformly until it feels just right. When you're happy with the layout, it's time to export. Click Share, then Download. Choose PNG for crisp graphics and transparent friendly quality, or JPG for a smaller file size that's ideal for quick sharing. Hit Download and let it process. That's it! Your 4-photo square collage is ready to use on social media, websites, or presentations. Keeping the canvas square makes it perfect for platforms that prefer symmetrical posts. And once you've set this up, you can repeat the process quickly with different photos. Thanks for watching, and enjoy creating your polished 4-image grid.